to see your subscribers on YouTube on Windows. First, open your web browser and go to YouTube. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account connected to your YouTube channel. Now, click your profile picture in the top right corner. Select YouTube Studio to open your channel dashboard. On the dashboard, you can see your current subscriber count along with other channel statistics. To see more information about your recent subscribers, scroll down and find the Recent Subscribers section. Click See All to view the available subscriber information. However, keep in mind that YouTube only shows subscribers who have made their subscriptions public. Subscribers who keep their subscriptions private won't appear in this list. And that's how you can see your YouTube subscribers on a Windows PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.